Alright, so the Oppo Find N6 is suddenly getting a lot of attention, and if you follow foldables, this one is shaping up to be a pretty big deal. Oppo has already started teasing the device, and the official launch is expected on March 17th, so we're basically just days away from seeing everything. But even before the launch, Android Authority actually spotted the device at MWC, and while checking the settings page, they were able to see several key specs, giving us a pretty good idea of what Oppo is preparing with this phone. One of the biggest things Oppo is focusing on this time is the crease on the foldable display. According to the teasers, the Find N6 uses a redesigned titanium alloy hinge along with something Oppo calls memory glass, which is supposed to make the screen look almost flat when unfolded. In the teaser images, the crease is barely visible, and Oppo is even describing the display as ultra flat and ultra flexible. If that actually holds up in real life, this could easily be one of the cleanest foldable displays we've seen so far. It's also expected to be pretty large. According to the information shown on the device, the Find N6 has an 8.12-inch inner display, which puts it right in line with other book-style foldables that open up into a small tablet. And interestingly, people who tried the phone say the crease is extremely hard to see. One reporter even said it's probably the least noticeable crease on any foldable so far. Battery is another big highlight. The settings page shows a 6,000 milliamp hour silicon carbon battery, which is actually huge for a foldable phone. Most foldables sit somewhere around 4,500 or 5,000 milliamp hour, so this could end up being one of the longest lasting devices in this category. Charging also looks pretty fast, with 80 watts wired Super VOOC and 50 watts wireless charging listed right there in the specs. The camera setup also looks pretty serious. The rear camera system listed on the phone shows 200 plus 50 plus 50 plus 2 megapixels, which suggests Oppo is going all in on photography again. On the front, the device appears to have dual 20 megapixel selfie cameras, likely one on the cover screen and one on the inner display. Performance should also be top tier. The Find N6 will run the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 mobile platform, paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and possibly 1 terabyte of storage. So in terms of raw power, this should sit right at the top of the foldable market, and honestly, if the crease really is as invisible as people are saying, this could end up being one of the biggest improvements we've seen in foldable displays. So yeah, this is definitely a device we'll keep an eye on, and if you want to stay updated on everything happening with upcoming phones like this, make sure you're subscribed. Peace.